guys, Jem from Jetset Plumbing here again. So today we're checking out a water meter that has leaked. Now, water in this scenario it's been going on for a couple of weeks, we presume. Water's coming to the surface, water in the water meter box. Now obviously this customer's gone through the process of getting the local council or the utility to come out and see if it's their infrastructure or whether it's the owner or the customer's problem. So today they've diagnosed that the water leak is occurring inside their property. Now we've put the pressure test on, and it's obviously on their side of the water meter, and water coming to surface everywhere. So green grass, obviously moisture in and around your water meter box are all things that are going to be a telltale sign of a water leak. Now when we get a water leak and you may get a high water bill, you're going to have an excuse to start looking for it. So you start with your toilets, any dripping taps, to wonder where that high water bill is coming from. But if you have any undetected concealed water leaks happening under the ground, you're essentially going to need plumbing. We specialise in it, leak detection equipment to listen to your pipework under the ground and locate where that. It can only be a faint leak or it could be something quite dramatic, but it needs to get sorted out because these water bills will increase quite quickly and they'll get a lot larger in consumption over a short period of time. So you need to get that sorted out. Jetset Plumbing, you can find us with that leak detection equipment. Cheers guys, have a great day.